Hello everyone, welcome back. No unboxing today, no boring review, and definitely no mind-numbing spec sheet rattling. Today, we're talking about a smartphone that hasn't even launched yet, but has already set the tech world on absolute fire. A phone that's on everyone's lips. And let me tell you right now, this is not just another incremental upgrade. This is a dream device for tech enthusiasts, creators, and anyone who loves the coolest future tech. This is the Sony Xperia Pro 2026. Yeah, you might have heard that name before. But what we're about to explore is its concept version, a vision of what the future of smartphones could actually look like. Think of it as a concept car, but for your pocket. If you're hungry for innovation or obsessed with cutting-edge tech, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's dive into the complete tour of this cosmic concept. Design. The first thing that'll steal your heart. The design. Friends, this concept is so unique, I'll say it straight, you've never seen anything like this. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. On the front, a stunning slab of glass and metal. No notch, no punch hole, no buttons, just a massive, edge-to-edge mesmerizing display that feels like it goes on forever. But the real magic, it's hiding on the back. Sony has split the back panel into two worlds. One side is your everyday smartphone, handling calls, texts, and social media. The other side, a full 1-inch sensor 350 megapixel DSLR-style camera. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't some small upgrade. This is the lens that professional photographers dream about, and then some. Imagine walking into a party or a trip with this phone. People will ask, "Bro, what is that in your hand? Is it a camera or a phone?" And you'll just smile and say, "Both." And more. It's a conversation starter, a status symbol, and a creative tool all in one. Yes, it'll be heavy. But that weight, that's the feeling of quality. Plastic or aluminum, that's old news. This body is made from magnesium alloy, the same metal used in high-end DSLRs. So it's both lightweight and incredibly strong. So strong that if you accidentally drop it, the ground might get dented instead of the phone. No joke. IP68, that's outdated. This is IP69K. Dustproof and waterproof, yes, but also protected against high-pressure water and even heavy mud. Rain, bring it on. Beach day, no problem. This phone laughs in the face of the elements. Camera setup. Now let's talk about the soul of this phone, the 350 megapixel DSLR sensor. Let me break it down in simple terms, because this is where things get really exciting. You've seen 200 megapixel phones. But 350 megapixels plus a 1-inch sensor. That's a game changer. The sensor is roughly 10 times larger than what you get on regular phones. What does that mean for you? You can take photos in pitch black darkness that look like they were shot in broad daylight. No noise, no distortion, just crisp, clean, stunning images that will make your friends jealous. Remember those grainy night photos? With this phone, those days are gone forever. Forever. Zoom. 100x digital zoom is old news. We're talking 150x digital zoom. Imagine taking a photo of a mountain, and zooming in to see the pupil of a bird sitting on the peak. Yes, that level. You could literally shoot the moon and count its craters. And here's the mind-bending part. Every single pixel from this camera comes in RAW format. And it's paired with Photography Pro 2.0, an app that gives you full manual control over every parameter. You don't need to learn photography. The phone will teach you how to become a pro. It's like having a personal photography coach inside your pocket. Video recording. 8K is out of fashion. This phone records 12K. Video. Imagine shooting a short film on your phone that looks stunning even on a cinema screen. And 12K recording means you can extract 25 megapixel still photos directly from your video. Plus 4K at 240 fps slow-mo, and 1080p at 960 fps ultra slow-mo. Watching a water droplet freeze in mid-air, or a bird's wings flutter in slow motion. Pure cinema, pure magic. Display. You've captured an incredible photo. Now, what screen will do it justice? The answer? A 6.9-inch 4K HDR OLED display that will absolutely rule your eyes. It's like holding a mini movie theater in your hand. This display shows 1 billion colors with 10-bit color depth. Every color is vibrant, every shade is accurate. Red looks like red in nature. Blue looks like the deep ocean. And with a 144 Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels like your finger is gliding on butter. Gaming, social media, Everything is butter smooth. Once you go 144 Hz, you never go back. Bright sunlight, no problem. With 4500 nits peak brightness, you can watch content even under the harshest afternoon sun. And protection, Corning Gorilla Glass Armor, meaning if you drop it, your heart won't break, the ground will be scared. Seriously, you could probably use this screen as a shield. Performance, handling massive 350 megapixel photos in 12K video needs a beast of a processor. Introducing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 6, built on 2nm technology. This chip is forged for AI, camera processing, and power efficiency. It's like having a supercomputer that fits in your palm. Paired with 24GB LPDDR6 RAM, one of the fastest RAMs ever made. And UFS 5.0 storage delivering read-write speeds up to 5GB per second. Copying and editing 12K video will become your daily habit. Storage goes up to 1TB, so all your memories stay safe without stress. You'll never see a storage full warning again. For gamers and heavy users, there's a vapor chamber cooling system that keeps the phone cool, whether you're playing PUBG at HDR graphics or editing 4K footage. No burnt hands, no lag, just pure, uninterrupted performance. Battery life. Power like this needs a monster battery. And here it is, 9000 mAh. Yes, 9000. Charge once and relax for 2 full days. Even with heavy use, you'll easily get through an entire day. Road trips, camping, long flights, this phone won't let you down. And charging, equally insane. 120-watt hypercharge takes you from 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. Wake up with an empty battery. Get ready, and by the time you're done, your phone is full. Plus 50-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Friend's phone dead, your Xperia will literally give it life. You'll be the hero of every trip. Software and other features. The best part of Sony phones. Pure, clean Android, no bloatware. You get stock Android 17. No unwanted apps, no privacy traps, just the apps you actually want. It's Android the way Google intended. But you also get Sony's professional suite, Photography Pro, Cinema Pro, and Music Pro. A full toolkit for creators. Whether you're a YouTuber, photographer, musician, or just someone who loves quality, this phone has you covered. Sony promises 4 years of major software updates and 5 years of security patches. So your phone stays fresh and secure for years. No need to upgrade every 12 months. And of course, Dolby Atmos, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, 5G. The best device deserves the best connectivity. Everything just works. And it works fast. Price and launch date. Now the big question, what's the price? Friends, this is still a concept phone. An idea, not yet a product. But if Sony ever builds it, estimated price would be between $1,800 and $2,000. Yes, that's expensive, but remember, you're buying a device that's both a flagship smartphone and a high-end DSLR camera. An entire studio in one device. For professionals and serious tech lovers, that's actually a bargain compared to buying a $5,000 camera plus a $1,200 phone. Launch date? Right now, it's just a concept. But rumors suggest Sony could bring something like this to life by late 2026 or early 2027. Will it happen? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the future looks incredible. Do you think a phone like this should become a reality? Would you spend that kind of money? And if it launched tomorrow, what's the first thing you'd take a photo of? Comment below, I read every single one.